I made $500 in one single day using 3 AI tools, and I'm going to show you exactly which tools I used and exactly how I use them, step by step, so you can copy this today. No experience needed, no investment, just 3 tools and a plan. Let's get into it. Welcome to Wealth Flip, where we show you real ways to make real money online. Today, I'm breaking down my exact $500 day, the 3 AI tools I used, how much each one made, and the step-by-step plan you can follow starting right now. And I am going to show you the exact income breakdown at the end, how much each tool made and exactly how long it took, because I want you to see the real numbers, so stay until the end. Before I show you the 3 tools, let me show you the simple plan I followed. Morning, I used tool number 1 to make $185. Afternoon, I used tool number 2 to make $300. Evening, I used tool number 3 to make $55. Total, $540 in one day. Now, let me show you exactly how. Now, tool number 1 is something almost everyone has access to right now, but almost nobody is using it to make money. Here's exactly how I did it. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Now I know what you are thinking. Everyone uses ChatGPT, but here's the difference. Most people use ChatGPT to answer questions. I use ChatGPT to make money, and there's a very big difference. Here's exactly what I did. I went on Fiverr and found 3 small businesses that needed content written. Blog posts, product descriptions, email sequences. I used ChatGPT to write everything, spent 10 minutes editing each piece, and delivered professional content to each client in under 2 hours. See, client 1, 3 blog posts, $60. Client 2, 5 product descriptions, $45. Client 3, 5 email sequences, $80. Total from ChatGPT, $185 before lunch. The secret: you are not selling AI writing. You are selling a professional writing service that happens to use AI. The client pays for the result, not the tool. This one mindset shift changes everything. $185 before lunch. Tool number 2 made even more, and it only took 3 hours in the afternoon. This one surprised me the most. Tool number 2, Canva with AI features. Canva in 2026 is completely different from what most people know. Magic design, text to image, magic write. These AI features let you create professional designs in minutes with zero design experience. Here's exactly what I did. I posted one message in 3 Facebook groups for small business owners. I offered a monthly social media design package, 20 posts per month designed professionally. I charged $150 per month per client. Within 2 hours, I had 2 clients say yes. I used Canva AI to create all 40 posts in under 3 hours, delivered everything the same day, 2 clients times $150, $300 in one afternoon. And here's the best part. Both clients are now paying every single month. That $300 repeats automatically without me finding new clients. That is the power of recurring income. $485 by late afternoon. I needed just $15 more to hit $500. Tool number 3 pushed me past $500 in less than 45 minutes, and most people have never even heard of it. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs. This is the AI voice tool I personally use to create my YouTube videos. The voice you are listening to right now, this is ElevenLabs, and on this day, I used it to make money directly. I posted in a freelance Facebook group offering AI voiceover services for YouTube videos and business advertisements. Within 30 minutes, I had my first client. A small business needed a 60-second voiceover for their product advertisement. I used ElevenLabs to generate a professional voiceover in under 10 minutes, delivered it instantly, charged $25. They loved it so much they ordered 2 more on the spot for $15 each. Total from ElevenLabs, $55. Grand total for the day, $540. Done. $540. One day, 3 tools. Now, here's the exact income breakdown I promise. And then, I am giving you the step-by-step plan to copy this starting tomorrow. Here is the exact $540 breakdown. ChatGPT writing, $1,185. 4 hours work, $46 per hour. Canva AI design, $300. 3 hours work, $100 per hour. and this repeats every month automatically. ElevenLabs voiceover, $55. 45 minutes work, $73 per hour. Total, $540. Total time, less than 8 hours. And the Canva income now repeats every single month without any extra work. Total, $540. Total time, less than 8 hours. And the Canva income now repeats every single month without any extra work. Step 1. Create a free Fiverr account today. Offer AI writing services using ChatGPT. Start at $20 to $30 per piece to get your first reviews fast. Step 2. Join 5 Facebook groups for small business owners in USA or UK. Post one message offering Canva social media packages at $100 per month. Get 2 clients and you already have $200 recurring every month. Step 3. Create a free ElevenLabs account. Post in freelance groups offering voiceover services. Start at $15 per voiceover. Build reviews, then raise your price. Week 1 goal, $100. Week 2, $200. Week 3, $350. Week 4, $500. By month 2, with recurring Canva clients, you could be making $500 to $1,000 every single month on autopilot. 3 AI tools, ChatGPT, Canva, ElevenLabs, 1 day, $540. This is not complicated. This is a simple system that anyone can copy. And now you have the exact plan. If this video helped you, subscribe to Wealth Flip right now because I upload a brand new money making video every single day. And comment 500 below if you're going to try this. I read every single comment. See you in the next video. Your first $500 day is closer than you think.